Okay, friends, for writing center today, we're going to trace the letters. So we're going to take our time and neatly trace the letters. But I want you to remember, the first thing we do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So on the line, I'm going to write my name. Okay. Now, I'm going to also always remember that I start my letters at the top. So where do I start my letters? At the top. So I'm going to start at the top of my capital A. I'm going to pull down, go back up, starting at the top, pull down, and then across in the middle. Okay, lowercase a. I'm going to start at the top, pull around, and then come back up, straight line down. Capital B, I'm going to remember, I always start my letters at the top, pull straight line down, come back up to the top, pull around and around. Now, friends, I want you to look at how my pencil is staying on the dotted lines. So lowercase b, start at the top, pull straight line down and around. Same thing, capital C, I'm going to make sure I stay on those dotted lines, pulling around. Okay, and lowercase c. All right, my friends. So I know that we're tracing, but you're still going to use your very best kindergarten writing skills and make sure you're taking your time, keeping your pencil on the dotted line, and remembering to always start your letters at the top. Do your very best work and take your time.